Welcome, folks, to our exciting journey into the world of feminine hobbies. Today, we're going to explore a range of activities, often regarded as traditionally feminine, that are not only enjoyable but also empowering and therapeutic. These hobbies are a testament to the creativity, patience, and resilience often attributed to the feminine spirit. Feminine hobbies are an eclectic mix of activities that encompass crafting, cooking, gardening, and so much more. These are hobbies that allow you to express your creativity, unwind from the stresses of daily life, and create something beautiful and tangible. They provide an outlet for self-expression, a means of relaxation, and a sense of accomplishment. Throughout this video, we will delve into a selection of these hobbies, from the intricate art of crafting and DIY projects, the culinary delights of cooking and baking, the serene world of gardening and floral arranging, the elegant strokes of calligraphy and hand lettering, to the delicate craftsmanship of jewelry making. Each of these hobbies is a world in itself, waiting to be explored and appreciated. So, whether you're someone looking for a new hobby to try, or you're already a seasoned hobbyist looking for fresh inspiration, this video is for you. We invite you to join us on this enriching journey. Let's dive into our first hobby, crafting and DIY projects, and discover the joy and fulfillment these activities can bring. And before we conclude our video today, don't forget to click on the follow button, leave a like if you enjoyed our journey today, and share your thoughts or ideas for new videos in the comment section. Your support keeps us inspired to bring more such engaging content your way. Happy exploring! Have you ever considered knitting or crocheting as a hobby? In today's fast-paced world, there's a return to the timeless allure of crafting and DIY projects. A resurgence of old-world hobbies like knitting, crocheting, sewing, and embroidery is evident as more and more people find solace in the rhythmic and repetitive motions of these activities. Crafting is not just about producing beautiful and practical items. It's also about the journey of turning a simple ball of yarn into a cozy blanket or a piece of fabric into a stylish tote bag. The satisfaction of seeing a project come to life, stitch by stitch, is truly rewarding. It's about that moment when you can finally step back, admire your work, and say, "I made that." But it's not just the end product that brings joy. The process itself has therapeutic benefits. The act of crafting can be a powerful form of stress relief. It requires focus, which helps to quiet the mind and keep worries at bay. It's a mindfulness practice that aids in relaxation and mental clarity. Crafting and DIY projects also offer a sense of accomplishment. Every finished project is a testament to your creativity and perseverance. It's a tangible expression of your time, your patience, and your skill. Moreover, these hobbies provide a platform to express your individuality. Whether it's a knitted scarf in your favorite color or a cross-stitched wall hanging with a pattern that resonates with you, these projects allow you to infuse a bit of yourself into your creations. So why not pick up those knitting needles or that embroidery hoop? Dive into the world of crafting and DIY projects. It's a world where you can create, relax, and express yourself. It's a world where you can find satisfaction and joy in the simple act of making. Next time you're looking for a new hobby, remember the world of crafting and DIY projects waiting for you. Who doesn't love a home-cooked meal or a freshly baked treat? If you're nodding in agreement, then the culinary arts could be the perfect hobby for you. Cooking and baking aren't just about putting food on the table. They truly are a labor of love, with the kitchen becoming your personal canvas and every dish a delicious masterpiece. Imagine the joy of experimenting with new recipes, the thrill of combining ingredients in ways you've never thought of before. It's like a scientific experiment, but the end result is something you get to savor and enjoy. And the best part? The more you experiment, the better you get. Now let's talk about baking. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating sweet, delicious treats from scratch. The smell of fresh bread wafting through your home, or the sight of a perfectly risen cake. It's a delight to the senses that store-bought treats just can't replicate. And then there's the social aspect. Cooking and baking are wonderful ways to bring people together, hosting gatherings, sharing meals, and enjoying the fruits of your labor with your loved ones. It's a beautiful expression of love and care that goes beyond words. If you're a beginner, don't worry. everyone starts somewhere. Start with simple recipes and gradually work your way up. Remember, it's not just about the end result, but also the process. Enjoy the chopping, the stirring, the kneading. It's a therapeutic activity that helps you unwind and relax. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of nurturing both body and soul through food. Preparing your own meals gives you control over what goes into your body. It's a step towards better health and well-being. And when you cook with love, the food tastes even better. So, if you're looking for a hobby that's both fun and nourishing, why not try cooking or baking? Have you ever wanted to express yourself through art? Artistic pursuits like painting, drawing, and photography are more than just hobbies. They are doorways to self-expression, creativity, and a deeper appreciation of the world around us. Painting, for instance, is a medium that offers an infinite palette of possibilities. With each brushstroke, you can convey emotions, tell stories, or recreate the world as you see it. Whether you're a fan of watercolors, oils, or acrylics, the canvas is your playground, and your imagination is the limit. Drawing, on the other hand, is a more intimate form of expression. With a pencil or a pen, you can capture the nuances of a face, the intricate details of a landscape, or the fleeting moment of a gesture. The simplicity of black and white can often speak louder than a riot of colors. Then there's photography, a medium that allows you to freeze time and capture the beauty of everyday life. Through the lens of a camera, you can reveal the extraordinary in the ordinary, the magic in the mundane. Whether you're photographing a bustling cityscape, a tranquil nature scene, or a candid portrait, photography invites you to see the world through a new perspective. These artistic pursuits are not just about creating beautiful works of art. They are also a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. As you explore your creativity, you'll find that art can be a source of joy, a form of therapy, and a way to connect with others. Getting started in these artistic hobbies might seem daunting, but remember, everyone starts as a beginner. You don't need to be a master to enjoy the process of creation. Start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey. Experiment with different mediums, take an art class, or simply grab a sketchbook and start doodling. Remember, artistic pursuits offer a unique way to express your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. So why not pick up a brush, a pencil, or a camera and start exploring your artistic side today? Do you want to connect with nature in a more personal way? If so, gardening and floral arranging might just be the hobbies you're looking for. Both activities offer a wonderful chance to get your hands dirty, literally, and to create something beautiful and vibrant with your own two hands. Gardening is a wonderful hobby that can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. Whether you're planting a few herbs in pots on your windowsill or tending to a sprawling vegetable garden in your backyard, the act of nurturing something from a tiny seed to a flourishing plant can be incredibly rewarding. It's a hands-on way to connect with the cycle of life and the changing seasons, and it gives you a real sense of accomplishment to see the fruits of your labor. Similarly, floral arranging is a hobby that allows you to express your creativity and appreciation for beauty. It's an art form that involves selecting, cutting, and arranging flowers in a way that highlights their individual beauty and creates a harmonious whole. It's a meditative process that requires focus and attention to detail, and the end result is a beautiful arrangement that adds a touch of elegance and color to any space. But perhaps the greatest benefit of these hobbies is their therapeutic nature. Spending time outdoors, working with your hands, and focusing on the task at hand can be incredibly calming. It's a form of mindfulness, a way to stay present and connected to the earth. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about seeing a garden you've tended or a floral arrangement you've created, knowing that it's a result of your own hard work, patience, and creativity. So whether you're looking for a new hobby or you're just interested in finding new ways to connect with the world around you, gardening and floral arranging offer plenty of opportunities. They're hobbies that not only beautify your surroundings, but they also nurture your soul. So if you're looking for a hobby that promotes mindfulness and a connection to nature, consider gardening or floral arranging. Ever wondered how to create elegant scripts and decorative lettering? Well, today we're diving into the captivating world of calligraphy and hand lettering. These arts are about more than just penmanship. They're about expressing yourself in a unique and beautiful way. Calligraphy, derived from the Greek words for beauty and writing, is a visual art related to writing. It's the design and execution of lettering with a broad-tipped instrument, brush, or other writing tools. Traditional calligraphy requires a steady hand and an eye for detail. It's all about creating a rhythmic, harmonious flow of letters, each one a little masterpiece in itself. Hand lettering, on the other hand, is the art of drawing letters. Each letter is carefully crafted, and the end result is a wonderfully unique piece of art. Whether you're using a brush, a pen, or even a piece of chalk, hand lettering allows for a great deal of creativity and personal expression. So pick up a pen, let your creativity flow, and start exploring the art of beautiful handwriting. Remember, calligraphy and hand lettering can turn ordinary text into a work of art. Have you ever thought about making your own jewelry? Imagine crafting pieces that are not only unique, but also a reflection of your personal style. Jewelry making is a rewarding hobby that combines creativity and craftsmanship. Let's delve into some popular techniques. Beading is a great place to start. With a vast array of colors, sizes, and shapes available, the possibilities are endless. Wire wrapping, on the other hand, adds an artisanal touch to your pieces. It's a technique that involves twisting and turning metal wires to secure gemstones and create intricate designs. If you're feeling adventurous, you might even try metal stamping. It's a process where you imprint letters, numbers, or designs onto a metal surface to create personalized charms and pendants. Designing jewelry is all about expressing yourself. Whether you're crafting delicate earrings, a statement necklace, or a simple bracelet, each piece is a unique work of art. So if you're looking for a hobby that allows you to create beautiful wearable art, consider jewelry making. Hobbies provide a sense of accomplishment and relaxation that can be a wonderful respite from our daily routines. I encourage you to try out these hobbies. You might just discover a new passion or rekindle an old interest. Remember, hobbies are not just about filling time. They are about exploring your interests, expressing yourself, and most importantly, enjoying yourself. So whether you're drawn to the tactile pleasure of crafting, the aroma of freshly baked goods, the vibrant colors of art, the tranquility of gardening, the elegance of calligraphy, or the shimmer of handcrafted jewelry, there's a hobby out there waiting for you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and click that follow button. If you'd like, comment with your favorite hobby or a topic you'd like you see in my next video.